What's up my Pugnails, Andy with Tech Influence here. Super excited to go over this comparison video of two very heavy duty cases that give you 7 times the military drop grade. You've got the Defender Pro from the folks at Otterbox as well as the Tough Case from the folks at ESR. Both of them are in their own right having different approaches to this protection, but only one of them can come out the winner. The ESR Tough Case is great because it's one complete case with really high quality products like TPU and polycarbonate as the base while protecting your phone with additional silicone padding around the corners. It's got this awesome hollow lock kickstand case, covers completely around the entire phone. The Otterbox is super robust and rugged. It's got multiple layers of TPU and polycarbonate while still being able to give you MagSafe compatibility. They do cut out the camera control while the ESR does have a little bit of protection on the corner, but both of them are supposed to give you drop grade protection 7 times the standard. With that said, the folks at ESR did provide me the case from ESR complimentary and sponsor this video. I purchased the Otterbox with my own money. With that said, the product pricing and availability will be down below that do help out the channel. Check those out as well as the other products that we go over here. With that said, let's go and unbox both of these, demonstrate them, and see what you're getting yourself into. All right, going over the Tough Case with Stash Stand. This is an easy unboxing. It's made out of materials that can be recycled, so if you feel to do so, go ahead. What I'm really impressed about this case here is it's got multi-layers. There's 3 layers here. The first layer is this really cushioned silicone rubber on the inside that's gonna give you like a memory foam feel. Then you've got your TPU material that's gonna give you the insulation, and then the hardened polycarbonate plastic that's gonna give you the 3rd level of up to 7 times military drop grade. They kind of fit into each other. You don't necessarily need to take them apart, but I just kind of wanted to show you. They will sandwich together seamlessly, which is nice. Coming up close, as you can see, you've got the nice protection here with MagSafe. You've got cutouts and protectors here on your I/O, which is nice. You do have a cutout here for the camera control, power button. Backside has MagSafe with a kickstand case, which is really nice and robust. On the other side here, you've got your action button, volume rocker. Really clean. You don't need to take it apart. You can just go ahead from the bottom to the top, just throw it in there. It is gonna give you some extra thickness, probably up to 1/4 inch. You can see the extra protection around the edges for that TPU bumper. Buttons are nice and clicky. You still have access to the camera control, activating your camera and still being able to zoom in and use all the different functions and features of this without being interrupted. Kickstand case is great, sets up, can hold you just fine. You can stream, watch TikTok, scroll, you name it. Lots of different functions there, really clean in the hand, I like that. You can see here that you've got MagSafe, which is no problem. It starts to charge at the maximum wattage, which is nice with the Apple MagSafe charger. You can throw on a Qi charger, which is from ESR as well. This is a great product to have on your desk for workflow, charging at the maximum wattage. Or lastly here, you can use something that's a little more content creation friendly. This is the SnapGrip Pro from the folks at ShiftCam. They've got the MagSafe Snap series, which is great. You've got a shutter button as well if you wanted to couple it with both. And then you even got a 5,000 milliamp charging at 15 watts as well. I like that. Look at that. Super clean. All right, here's the Otterbox Defender Pro showing you their most elegant and toughest case out there. Arguably the toughest in the market. As you can see here, it's kind of the tried and true multi-layer protection. Although I'm noticing that it's a little bit lighter and narrower, as well as a big fat chunk cutout right here for the camera control. Sold separately is the phone clip, which normally it came with. Last year it came with this. That's a little disappointing here that the 4th layer of this is sold separately. It did come free, but for how long? Peeling it apart here does take some effort. You peel off the TPU rubber silicone backing. The inner core is polycarbonate and it does have multi-layers. You have to clip it off at each one of these little arrow points, making it for a 4-step, 4-piece protection. I like that. You do have like this memory foam type product here that is supposed to give you protection, although this just looks like regular foam. It's not like a memory foam material, whereas in the past it was a little bit more spongy. That's a little disappointing. Let's go ahead and put our phone in there. You first place the top piece on. It's then going to clip into the bottom piece, giving you that interlocking mechanism. You don't really have access to anything else, but you can see that you've got the magnets here that do protrude out and you can see them clearly. They are gonna fit softly right into that silicone cutout which makes it a little bit less protective. Rounding out the last step is just folding this into each spot, giving you much more thickness than normal cases would, about 1/4 of an inch all the way around in total. Although this feels a little bit less thick, which might be a good thing. And you still have the ability to make content with your camera control while having this massive gaping hole there. I don't like that at all. It's just massive. Like, what if you hit right there? Then you lose all of your drop grade protection. I mean, that's what this Defender Pro is. I don't know. MagSafe is still capable. You can do Qi2 Charging Puck, which is nice. Maximum Qi2 charging, 25 watts up to that grade. Or if you want to throw on something a little more content creation friendly, you can throw that on here. This charges 15 watts, 5,000 milliamp battery, which is nice. You also have a shutter button and the access to all of the different ShiftCam products like this light, which is kind of cool. But alrighty, here it is. As you can see, the Otterbox is a little bit thicker. It's got more mass to it, it seems like, and multi-layers. It's 4 layers as opposed to the 3 here for the ESR Tough Case. As you come up close, both of them do have kind of a grippy element to it, whereas the backside of the ESR is the polycarbonate material, which is that hardened plastic, whereas the Otterbox is actually the TPU on the outside. The inner core is the polycarbonate material, so you've got that difference. And then you can see here that they both have protection around the entirety of the phone. I like ESR having a smaller fingerprint here for the camera control, whereas the Otterbox has this massive gaping hole, which I do not like. One other item here that is unfortunate is typically Otterbox would sell this together with the phone clip, but it's sold separately now, which is really upsetting. I did get it for free, but it's sold separately and you gotta pay for it. It's like 30 bucks, so it makes it 30% more expensive. It's unfortunate. This is like a $100 case here as opposed to the ESR, which is a fraction of that. In conclusion, ESR did provide this to me complimentary and sponsor this video. Down below in the links in the description will be the cases with their product pricing and availability, as well as the other products that we went over. I'm very disappointed with Otterbox. Every year since the iPhone 12, I've reviewed this, and this has probably been the worst iteration. ESR does a great job being able to give you function, being able to give you protection, as well as utility with their extra features like the kickstand case and being able to completely cover the entire camera control button. This is so much more expensive, especially if you have to add in the belt clip, which used to come with the case. Now you have to buy it separately, and it just makes for such an unfavorable, unsavory taste in my mouth. Ultimately, the ESR strong case does win in this comparison video, but I am biased because of my relationship with them. Let me know what you decide, if this is one that you wanted to opt into, or if there's another case that you want me to review. Thanks so much, guys. Andy with Tech Influence. Hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye.